So today we will see IDFT using FFT. So you know this IDFT formula, that is x of n is equal to 1 by n summation k is equal to 0 n minus 1 x of k wn to the power of minus kn, okay, where n varies from 0 till n minus 1. So again the two methods, that is DIF and DIT. So what method we have used for to find out DFT using DIT will be opposite, okay. So this method was used to find out DFT in DIF FFT, okay. So this is opposite, you remember that. So this is DIT to find out IDFT, okay. Before what we have seen, this method was to find out DFT using DIF. It was, this method was DIF, this is opposite. When it is IDFT, this becomes DIT, okay. Same butterfly diagram what we have seen previously, but for IDFT and decimation in time, this butterfly, this signal flow diagram has been used. So this is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7 for n is equal to 8. If there are 8 samples, then it is from x of 0 till x of 7. Okay, this is the first stage, that is 8 point, this is 4 point, and this is again 2 point. So x of 0, x of 4 will be connected like this, okay. Then x of 1 and x of 6 will be connected, x of 2 and x of 2 and x of 6 will be connected, and x of 3 and x of 7 will be connected. So that is 8 point. So this is W8 to the power of minus 0, W8 to the power of minus 1, W8 to the power of minus 2, W8 to the power of minus 3. Here it is W8 to the power of minus 0 and W8 to the power of minus 2. Or it is also known as W4 to the power of minus 0 and W4 to the power of minus 1. Okay. Only W8 when we find out, we'll find out all minus 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So, W8 to the power of minus 2 and W8 to the power of minus 0. And here it will be 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Okay. The same thing for DIF FFT. Again here will be 2 point, then 4 point, then 8 point. Here W8 to the power of minus 0, W8 to the power of minus 0, W8 to the power of minus 0. Okay, this is 4 point, x of 0 will be connected to x of 2. Here again the same thing. If you see this one, this part will be x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. So when you bit reverse, here you will get x of 0, x of 4, x of 2 will be same, then x of 6. X of 4 when you bit reverse, it will be x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. So let us see one problem. For x of k, that is given 32 minus 4, 0 minus 4. Compute IDFT using DIT FFT. Okay, so they have told DIT. So first stage will be 4. Since the number of samples are 4, first stage will be 4 point, then the second stage will be 2 point. So for DIT again x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 will be in sequence here. Okay, so here what you will be getting the formula, that is 32 plus 0 at this point. So you'll be getting 32. Again here 32 minus 0 into 1. So you'll be getting 32. Same thing here, what you'll be getting, minus 4 minus 4. So what will be getting? Minus 8. Okay, minus 4. This minus into minus, it becomes plus. So W4 to the power of minus 1 is what? Calculate and multiply. You will be getting 0.7. I think W4 to the power of minus 1 is 0.707. Okay, so when you multiply, that is minus 4 plus 4, minus into minus plus 4. So this becomes 0. Okay, so again here 2.32 minus 8. 32 minus 8, what you'll be getting? 32 minus 8, how much it is? It is 24. Okay, 24 divided by 4, since it is IDFT. So what will be getting? You'll be getting 6. Okay, so here what it is? 32 minus into minus plus, that becomes 40. Again W4 to the power of minus 0, it is 1. So 40 divided by 4. So what you'll be getting? It is 10. Okay, so here again 32, this part 32 plus 0, what will be getting? 32. 32 divided by 4, 8. Next 32 minus 0 it is. So again it is 8. So what is the answer you will be getting? It is 6, 8, 10, 8 like this. Okay. Same problem, do it using DIF FFT. So again in DIF, this will change. So this is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. Okay. Either you can remember in this way or better bit reversal. So 0, 0 is, when you see from the right hand side, it is 0, 0 only. X1 means it is 0, 1. 0, 1 from right hand side, when you read out, it is 1, 0. 1, 0 means what? It is 2, x of 2 like this. So x of 2, it is 1, 0. When you read it from right hand side, it is 0, 1, that is x of 1. In the same way, x of 3 is what? 1, 1. When you read it from the right hand side, again it is same thing, 1, 1, so it is x of 3. Either you can see the bit reversal and you can remember. Okay, you be very clear with what is DFT and what is IDFT in DIT and DIF. It is two opposite. What you do using DFT in DIT, it is opposite for DIF FFT in inverse. So be very clear, see the comparison and read it. So now here what it is? 32. Okay, W4 to the power of minus 0 will come here. Okay, so 32 plus 0 will be 32 only. So here 32, again minus 0, again it is 32 itself. So same thing, minus 4, here it is 4. So minus 4 what it is? It is minus 8. Okay, so here minus 4, this is 4 into minus 1 plus 4. So what you will be getting? 0. Okay, so here what it is? 32 minus 8. So 32 minus 8, it is 24. 24 divided by 4, it is 6 here. Okay, so same thing. Here what it is? 32 will come here. This is minus 8. Minus into minus, minus into minus, plus. So 32 plus 8, it is 40. 40 by 4, it is 10. Okay. Next, here 32, this. Whereas here it is 0. So what we'll be getting here? 32 itself. So 32 divided by 4, it is 8. Okay, 32 from this line. Okay, from here it is 0. So 32 minus 0 is 0. 32. 32 by 4, it is 8. 6, 8, 10, 8 will be your answer. So next, compute x of n, that is IDFT for x of k, 32 minus 4. We have done this, right? So this is 8 point. Find the sequence x of n corresponding to 8 point DFT using DIF FFT for x of k. They have given this one: x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7 has been given. Okay. So this one will be our x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6. Here will be your x of 7. Okay. So first will be your 2 point, then 4 point, then 8 point. So answer is x of n is equal to, it has been given here. You can try this. You will do it now and tell me. The same problem, do it using DIT also. If you have any doubts, you'll ask me. First stage you'll do and tell me the answers.